Hello guys, welcome to a Getting Started Comet Help video. In today's session we're going to have a look at how you can log into Comet and also understand what the different menu items on the left hand side mean and how you may use them throughout the whole entire season. Now first things first, how do you get to the Comet login page? So to log into Comet you want to type in your browser address window comet.oceaniafootball.com. So we'll have this displayed across the bottom here so you can access that page from your desktop. Once here you'll see a screen very similar to this, obviously without the demo words in there, and then to log in, simply enter in your username and your password. If this is the first time your club is accessing Comet, get in touch with your federation so they can then give you a username and password so you can then access the system. So without further ado, let's log in and have a look. So type in your username and then your password and then click the words log in. Once logged in, you'll be navigated to your home page. And everywhere within the Comet system, you can split it up into 4 different parts. First part here is going to be the quick search bar at the top left hand side here. Now the quick search bar is used to quickly search for players, coaches, clubs or a venue simply by entering the name of that item in here and then selecting the options available to you. Next up, we've got the menu, the left hand menu here. So over here is where you can access various parts of the system, which we'll go to in a bit more detail here. Thirdly would be your settings. So these are your user settings here. So home page will take you back to the screen that you see right in front of you. Wiki will take you to the Comet Help website. User settings will take you to user settings, change language, and of course logging out as well. And the last bit here will be the central display area. Now the central display area, as the name suggests, is a central area in which it displays any items that you are looking. So for example, if you've used this quick search bar to search up for a player, what you will see in here will be the details of the player. Similarly, if you're looking at a competition, you will see the competition in here. If you're looking at a club, you see the club in here, so on and so forth. Pretty self-explanatory. I'll show what I mean as we sort of go along. Now, going into the left-hand menu here, the ones you'll be utilising the most will be players, coaches and staff, clubs, competitions and reports and statistics. So we'll go into these ones in a bit more detail. First off, the players. By clicking on the menu item players, you will have a whole bunch of options that are available to you. So in here, what you're going to see in players is search players. It's more of an advanced search player console. First registration is for creating new players. Confirm registrations where you can confirm any pending registrations to your clubs. And then of course red flag players, so any players that either owe money and gear to your club, you can red flag them for the end of the season. Then moving to coaches and staff, so like players, everything in here is related to coaches and staff. So again, the consoles you will see are very similar in how they work and how they look. So searching coach, again is an advanced search console for coaches, create a new coach, confirm coaches, and then same with staff as well. Moving into clubs, so here in clubs you can get access to your club's dashboard, you can view your club's matches, your club's previous matches, and from here as well create new club officials. And the most important part of this club's console here is creating new club items or viewing your club items. So club items are the registration items that players or coaches can use to register to your club. Next, moving into competitions, so as the name suggests, everything here is related to competitions. So the ones you're going to be utilising the most is going to be My Competitions, which shows you all the competitions for which your club is involved with. Search Matches allows you to search for matches again that your clubs are involved with, and also from here you can also quickly add in match results for again the matches that your club are involved with. And the last but not least, moving into reports and statistics. So reports and statistics are where you can then report on various data either involving your clubs and players or simply looking at competition data across a multitude of competitions across the country. And last bit here, a little bonus one, is of course the help console in here. So going into here you can quickly access the Comet Help, or you can go in there and access also the help submission page built into the Comet system. So in a nutshell, that is an overview of Comet. So again, recapping, you've got all the menu items here on the left hand side, the quick search bar here, the central display area, and then your user settings.